The Arrest of Christmas List, Unraveling the Layers of Controversy, an editorial by Professor Wall Street. In recent days, the arrest of Canadian blogger and YouTuber Christopher Hugh, known as Christmas List, has sent shockwaves through Trinidad and Tobago. The circumstances surrounding his detention raise critical questions about freedom of expression, law enforcement, and the delicate balance between public safety and individual rights. Here are 10 reasons why this case deserves our attention. 1. Gang violence and transparency. Christmas List YouTube videos provided a raw, unfiltered view of gang culture and violence in Trinidad and Tobago. By interviewing gang members from various neighborhoods, he shed light on a pressing issue that authorities cannot ignore. 2. The power of social media. Mustard's videos went viral, reaching a global audience. His platform amplified the voices of those living in gang-affected areas, exposing the harsh realities faced by citizens. Social media has become a powerful tool for citizen journalism, and Mustard's arrest raises questions about its impact on law enforcement. 3. Anti-Gang Act and its application. The Anti-Gang Act, enacted to combat gang-related activities, has been invoked against Must. However, critics argue that its broad language could stifle legitimate reporting and investigative work. Must's case highlights the need for clarity in applying such legislation. 4. Selective enforcement. Some argue that Must was selectively targeted due to the prominence of his videos. If true, this raises concerns about equal treatment under the law. Are other content creators who cover similar topics also at risk? 5. State witnesses and gang affiliation. Shockingly, Mustard's videos featured individuals claiming gang membership, some of whom were state witnesses in criminal cases. This revelation underscores the complexity of gang dynamics and the challenges faced by law enforcement. 6. Foreigner versus local perspective. Mustard's status as a foreigner adds another layer of complexity. While he aimed to show reality, locals may perceive his actions differently. Is there a bias against outsiders, shedding light on local issues? 7. The role of the Canadian Embassy. Must sought assistance from the Canadian Embassy before his arrest. What guidance did he receive? The involvement of diplomatic channels raises questions about international relations and legal rights. 8. Freedom of the press. Must's arrest tests the boundaries of press freedom. Journalists and bloggers play a crucial role in holding institutions accountable. When their work intersects with sensitive topics, how can we strike a balance? 9. Smokescreen allegations. Some believe that Must's arrest serves as a smokescreen, diverting attention from deeper issues within the government and the TTPS. Transparency is essential to maintain public trust. 10. The responsibility of content creators. While Must's intentions may have been genuine, his failure to disclaim the material's potential impact is a valid concern. Content creators must weigh their responsibility to inform against the risks posed by their work. In conclusion, the arrest of Christmas List is not a straightforward case. It forces us to examine our legal system, media landscape, and the delicate dance between security and civil liberties. As the trial unfolds, we must ensure that justice prevails while safeguarding the principles that underpin a democratic society.